Making a marinade for overnight chicken sandwiches. Right now I have half a cup of Italian dressing. You could use whatever Italian dressing you want, but we prefer the Olive Garden dressing, so that's what I had on hand. Then I am going to do a teaspoon and a half of honey, if you could see it. I prefer organic honey. Then I have lemon juice. You could use lime juice as well. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of that. I'm going to mix it really well, and then I am going to pour it over my chicken. These are thin sliced cut chicken. Now you could bake this in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes, which is why I have it in a Pyrex dish. Or you could grill it on each side for about 10 minutes. Or you could pan fry it. We are trying to eat healthier, so we are baking this. So this is my 1 teaspoon of honey going into the marinade. Trying to get that all in. So I'm going to leave it in there. This is my half a teaspoon. Trying to balance that out. I'm gonna have to mix this really well. Then I'm gonna get a full, a full teaspoon of either lemon juice or lime juice. I'm using lemon juice. So I'm gonna pour that in here, but I cannot balance the phone and pour at the same time, so hold on. So this is my 1 teaspoon of lime juice going on. Okay, so I mixed everything really well. Now I'm going to pour everything over my chicken. I have a fork and I'm going to lift them up and make sure that everything is evenly coated. I'm going to let it marinate overnight, and then tomorrow I have dinner ready for me. I have dinner already for tonight's cooking in the slow cooker. I like to plan ahead. So no, it's not the most pleasant looking thing, but and then I have more marinade that I could scrape out with my rubber scraper. But let it marinate overnight. Let all that flavor in. Then bake at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. You could use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. I got to double check what that is. And, you know, healthier eating. I sprayed my pan with avocado oil spray. I'm going to cook the chicken for about 5 minutes on each side in my grill pan. And then it should be done. And then I'm going to make sandwiches out of them. Once the chicken has cooked for 4 to 5 minutes, give it a nice flip. I'm going to put the lid on it so it can cook through.